Hello, welcome back to the channel. My name is Elle. Today I got a package from the UPS and I'll do the unboxing of this present that I got from my fiance. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like and subscribe and share, and yeah, let's start the unboxing. Like I have told you, we just moved here in a new apartment and that's still in chaos. We're still in chaos and we're still doing a lot of things, and we're so busy the whole holiday season. And the shops here are closed because we have lockdown in Germany, the COVID-19 lockdown, and we couldn't do anything at all. The only thing to do is to online order, but because we moved, we don't have internet. We don't have our Wi-Fi is not connected because they couldn't connect it because there's no people who could, I don't know, there's so many things, so many hassles, but yeah. And even though I still got a small present, which I am very, very happy about it. So yeah, okay, I'll share it to you. Thank you for watching. Okay, so let's start with the unboxing. I have my knife already. And yeah, it was a very fast delivery. Today's Wednesday, so we ordered it Sunday. Well, yes, a normal delivery from the UPS, and so this is the box. Okay. Oh, it's closed. Okay. Oops. Sorry. Again, at my favorite luxury company. Okay, so put it down first. Oops. And that's her. Always. Oh, I have a card. That is very sweet. In German, for Weihnachten. Okay, so as usual, today's the good shine and the return things. Yeah. Okay, so let's start. Okay, I open it now. Oh wow, this is really cool. Okay. Okay, I don't want to break this. Okay. Maybe I should just do it on this side. Oh yeah, put this on the other side. Just pull it out. There she is. Made in Italy. This is the new design for the new design director of Louis Vuitton. Yeah, I love her. So pretty. On the back it's black and on the other side is white. So you can use her as also as a bed accessories or as a home shop. Okay, thank you so much for watching. That's all for today. For additional to my collection from Louis Vuitton, this is my favorite brand, I would say, and I am very satisfied. So I'm happy to get this as a present. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again. Bye for now. Please do like and subscribe and share, and I'll see you again. Bye for now. Love.